Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create this super cute paper quilling unicorn 3D showpiece. Yes, this is a 3D quilling and I have created this cute unicorn using different sizes of paper quilling strips. And I have created one more, so in total I have created 2 unicorns, and you can give this in Friendship Day to your friends. So let's get started. So first I am starting with making the face, and for this I am taking 5 strips of white color 3mm and making one tight coil. In the same way, I have created one more tight coil using 5 strips of 3mm. Now I am just opening one coil using my fingers because I need little deeper dome. Just tapping the center of the cone using backside of pen to make it flat. Add glue inside this, and using the another coil I am making a dome using quilling mold. Add glue inside this as well. Spread it using brush and join both the domes with each other. So face of unicorn is ready. Now here I have created one tight coil using 5 strips of 5mm white color, and I am opening it using pencil. This is a body of unicorn, so I am making a deeper dome. And just adding glue inside this dome as well. Spread it using brush and allow it to dry. Then I am starting with hands and legs. For this I am taking one strip of 3mm white color and making one tight coil. Just insert one pencil through this and make a cone shape. Since this is a 3mm strip, so you have to be very careful while opening it. Do it very slowly and carefully. Now just remove the pencil slowly, and I am going to bend this cone little bit. The height of both the legs should be same. So I'm opening it little bit more and bending it. Now to create the base of legs, I'm taking one strip of 3mm yellow color and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside the cone and dome and connect with each other. So legs are ready. So we need 2 bended legs and 2 straight legs. Now I am going to join each part together. So first I am adding face with the body. And then I am connecting lower legs first and then the upper legs. allow it to dry, and it will look like this after drying. Super cute. I am starting with the ears. For this I am taking one strip of white color strip. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to make a thin strip. You can also use 2 mm strip. And I am making one tight teardrop shape. In the same way I have prepared one more. So I am just connecting the ears. Then here I have prepared one yellow color tight coil using half strip of 3 mm yellow color, and I am making the cone, that is unicorn. Just make a cone using pencil, add glue inside this and connect in the forehead of the unicorn. If you wish, you can also use golden strip. And now I am starting with some beautiful colorful hairs. So for this I am taking half strip of light yellow color in 2 mm and making one bended semicircle. Like this. In the same way I have prepared some more hairs using pink, purple, light green, blue. So all are the pastel shades. Now I will start arranging the hairs one by one. And after adding all the hairs, it will look like this. It's looking super cute. Now I have prepared 2 small bended leaves using 1/4 strip of pink color, and I am adding these hairs in the front part. Then I am adding one white color circle in the front for nose and smile. I have just created the nose and smile using black gel pen. And then I am adding eyes. I have just cut one white color paper in leaf shape and drawn the eyes using black gel pen. Then adding small pink colored circles for cheeks. Then I am taking one strip of 3 mm white color and making a tail. For tail I am using bended leaf shape. Just connecting the tail on back side like this. Here I have created one bow using a glitter blue color strip, added the golden triangle and one stone in the center. So the cute unicorn is ready. In the same way I have prepared one more unicorn because it's Friendship Day and one unicorn is alone, so I have created one friend for him. So you can give this pair of beautiful quill unicorn to your friend in upcoming Friendship Day, or you can use this just as a showpiece. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.